Happy video day, guys. Christina, Brooke here. Today I've got a really fun video for you guys. I have in my possession the most beautiful eyeshadow palette that was sent over to me from Kaleidos. So today we're going to be talking about the new Flower Punk eyeshadow palette from Kaleidos. They sent this over to me in PR and I am obsessed with the colors. I'm going to do two different looks for you guys, show you guys what's inside of this fun little box that they sent over too with some of their liquid lips. We're going to unbox everything together, try it on, do the two different looks. And I'm gonna do a Kaleidos giveaway in this video because, like I said, they've been sending me a lot of amazing PR and I love to give back to you guys. I know that to the United States it's hard to ship Kaleidos and to other countries as well, so I'm gonna give some stuff away. So if you guys are excited, keep on watching. And let's get into it. So if you guys want to enter into the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a nice little box full of stuff from Kaleidos that they have sent over to me. I'm going to give you guys two of the new liquid lips from this brand new collection, one in the deeper shade, one in a lighter shade. A lucky winner is going to get a Space Age highlighter from Kaleidos. Also a nice lip gloss in their cool little packaging. I'm going to send over two different contour palettes, one for lighter skin, one for deeper skin. And finally, their beautiful lunar lavender eyeshadow palette, just like that. It's absolutely stunning and I'm really excited for one of you guys to be able to try out the formula for yourselves. But I'm gonna ship the lipstick without this funny little packaging just because it is just too bold. So this is everything that I'm gonna be giving away from Kaleidos. If you guys wanna enter, what you have to do is hit subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, that's the most important thing to do. Make sure you're a current subscriber and leave me a comment down below just telling me which part of their brand new collection is your favorite. So I'll be showing you guys everything that came in this box. You just have to tell me down below which was your favorite product from the box. Yeah, and bonus entry is to follow me on Instagram at Christina Brooke Beauty. So yeah, that is it. Let's go ahead and let's get into Flower Punk because this is the main event today. I've got a lot of stuff to say about it and I've got two beautiful looks to show you guys. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we are zoomed in and I have this magical treasure chest in front of me. Kaleidos is like the best when it comes to PR. I feel like they send just like really cute PR gifts that I feel like could be used. Like I'm gonna use this. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Lexi could probably put like jewelry in here. And let's go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, look at the inside, guys. It literally is like a jewelry box and you know it is so funny. So Lexi actually opened this up the other day and she told me, oh my god, Mom, there's stickers in a coloring book. And I told her, no, baby, that's my stuff. That's for my work. Put it in the office. Put it in the office. I ignored her. Here's stickers and a coloring book. Oh my god, she was right. These stickers? These aren't stickers. I think these are tattoos. What are these? And then the little coloring book. Oh, it's not a coloring book. It's just like a notepad. That's really, really cute. They have the cutest stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into the real stuff here. Quickly, let me just show you guys what came inside this box. So each one of the drawers, if you guys can see, there's drawers here. Oh my god, so cute. The first drawer has the lipsticks, I think they are. God. Oh, I love these cans. These canisters are adorable too. So here are some of the liquid lips. So these look like they're the nude ones. And then inside of the green box, I think we have the more dramatic colors. Yeah. So there they are. There are a bunch of different liquid lips. We'll see which one we use in today's video. And then also in here is their lip agave smoothing lip mask. They came out with a lip mask. So here it is. And actually the packaging of this one is so pretty. Look how beautiful this lip mask packaging is. Isn't that beautiful? Honestly, so pretty. So yeah, so we've got a lip mask, we've got some liquid lips, everything kind of like goes on theme together. And then of course the star of the show, the palette. So this is the Flower Punk and this is what it looks like. You guys see, detachable mirror. That is so cool. And those are the most beautiful colors in there. They just look so stunning. And I really, really love this detachable mirror. I just honestly think Kaleidos does such a good job with packaging. Everything is just so beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited to put this on my lids. I'm excited to try the liquid lips. Oh my goodness, we've got a fun video today. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with my MAC paint pot. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this because these look like more vibrant colors. I like to prime my lids anytime I use something more vibrant, just so it doesn't stain as much, because anything that looks a little bit brighter could stain. Now, I've told you guys this before, but Kaleidos uses pigments in their eyeshadows, and usually I can't stand pigments on my eyes, but I actually have used multiple of the Kaleidos eyeshadow palettes before, and none of them have ever given me like dry eyes or anything like that, so I feel like they're safe for me. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this beautiful pinky tone that's right here in the center. Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh, that looks pretty. And we're gonna put that on the higher, let's take this thing off. Brand new eyeshadow palette. So much pigment. That's the thing about Kaleidos eyeshadow palettes, is that I just feel like you get so much pigment out of them. Look how much, I feel like for being just a light pinky color, I got a lot of pigment out of that color. Really, really nice. Now, I don't know if I want to just stay monochromatic or jump into some of the greens, or should I do two different looks? I don't know. What should I do? These colors are really pretty. Ooh, look at that sun gazer color. It's almost like I just need to do a green lid just to try that color. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab this color right here, and I'm gonna kind of like smoke it on the outer V. I think we're gonna do two looks. I think we're gonna go for two looks because this is just too many beautiful colors that I wanna use, and you don't wanna make like unrealistic eye looks for you guys, because I feel like I can do some really pretty looks with. I'm gonna do this first look as the more neutral, very pretty pink look that I think you could create with the palette. And then we're gonna jump into some depth with a nice green lid, which is another route that you could take with the palette. Then what I'm gonna do is grab this beautiful color right here. Look at that. I'm gonna put that, oh my God. Honestly, these metallics are just so insanely gorgeous. I think that this is what this brand is known for, is just having the most beautiful, like, shifty metallics. This one's actually shifting from a pink. It has a little bit of peach in it. Honestly, guys, that is just like stunning. Wow, I really, really love that pink. That was beautiful. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is put on some mascara, and then we'll pick a liquid lip just to match with this look, and then we're gonna go on to another look because I need to do two. I can't just do one. I wanna do two. There we go. Tell me that's not pretty. I like it, right? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So what we'll do is we'll pick from the dark ones. Let's pick from the dark ones since this is a lighter look, and I think the next look we're gonna do is gonna be very dramatic. So let's see, which color should we attach to this one? So this one is Dahlia. So this is Dahlia, so that looks like a darker plumish red. Then this one here is called Mahogany. Ooh, that's like a nice deep brown. It's kind of cool. Ooh, this is blue. Ah, blue! I don't think I would use blue. That might be for a giveaway. Then we've got red. A deep, nice, pretty red. Red and pink look really pretty together, right? So that is a red. Oh no, actually it looks pink to me. That is hot pink. Just kidding, that's hot pink. And this one's called Cactus Flower. Nice. So I think from all of these, I think I want to try the brown one. I don't have anything like this mahogany color. So let's put the brown on the lips. Ooh, that's brown. Ooh, okay, cool. That's an interesting formula, I have to say. I don't know if it might get a little patchy with the darker colors because it's very, very moussey. It feels really nice on the lips because it doesn't feel like one of those that like really dry your lips too much, but it has a matte appearance. I just wonder if it'll get patchy as the colors get darker. But that looks really cool. I don't know. Looks nice on me, and it's a very different formula. Does it kind of remind me of the lip souffles from Rare Beauty? Kind of like that. It's a very, very creamy, Very interesting formula. But yeah, we went really dark with the lip so we could play with one that came in this kit. And I wonder if they sell them in kits. They probably do. But in the blue one, which is the darker colors, and the color that I put on is called Mahogany. Really cool brown, deep, rich color with this really pretty pink lid. I love it. I think it's really, really pretty. All right, so now that you guys have seen look number 1, let me go ahead and wipe off everything and we'll start over with look number 2. All right, so look number 2. So number 2, we're gonna get a little bit more fun. We're gonna have a little bit more fun with this palette because I wanna play with the greens and the yellows and do something really, really fun. So let's start off with this mustardy color, which typically I don't like mustardy colors, but this looks like a pretty one. So let's go ahead and put, this reminds me of the one in the Cutting Edge from the Dose of Colors palette that I actually ended up using a lot. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Nice pigmented shadow. Look at the pigment on that. Do you guys see how pigmented these shadows are? Like, it's like so good. They have such strong pigment. They're super blendable. Honestly, Kaleidos is very good. They have a very good formula. So now what I want to do is grab this. Oh my God, this is like, I love a good dark, rich green. Like, I don't know, dark greens like this are just life to me. And oh my goodness. Look at that. I love this color. So what I'm going to do is kind of just like bring it halfway. I'm getting fallout. I am dabbing a lot though, but I'm getting fallout just so you guys know. It's a little bit on the dusty side, but they are super pigmented, so you know. I think the next time I use this palette though, I want to use a different eyeshadow primer. I feel like this primer is not the best for this shadow. Then I want to grab this color that's been screaming at me. Look at that color. Holy cannolis. This color is like unreal. I'm using the same finger on both eyes because there's so much. Oh wow. You guys like a super shiny in your face metallic? I mean, hello to you. This thing is like incredible. And it's still going. We're still going. Same finger. Wow. That's insane. I'm gonna have to wipe off the rest. Like, that was just like, we're still going. Granted, I do have fallout on the face because that was pretty pigmented and so was the green. Just for fun, even though this doesn't really match and I might ruin the look, I just want to grab a little bit of this blue. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm going to put it like in between the two colors. Right there. It kind of looks like it's shifting into the green now, but that is stunning. Oh. All right, let me put on some mascara. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, I love this eye look. It's so pretty. You guys know I like a good green lid. This is just very, very, very pretty. So let's pick a lipstick from the different lipsticks that they sent me over. This is in the light one, the pink box. So the colors we have to choose from are Nude Sienna. That sounds like a pretty color. Ooh, look at that. So that looks kind of like a brownish nude, like a brownish nudish color. Pretty. Then we have Terra. This looks like it has a little bit more peach to it. This might be more my style. I think I might want to try this one. Then we have Dune. Yeah, it's a little bit more of like a real nude that has a little bit more of that pinky taupe color to it. That's very pretty too. I like Dune. And then finally we have the color Adobe, like Photoshop. And this one looks more like a real, this one's more of a taupe nude. The other one was more of a pinky nude. So yeah, we've got a good variation of nudes in here. This kit is really good. If they sell it like this is a nice kit. I'm gonna go in with Terra. This looks like it has a little peach in it, and I think peaches and greens are just like incredible combinations. I'm not lining my lips for these because I wanna show you guys like the real colors. What a cool, different color. I don't have anything like this. And there we go. That is the final look. This is a pretty damn cool color as well. Very interesting formula, super, super different. It almost feels like this moussey cream that you're putting on your lips, and then it dries down pretty matte, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It feels really, really nice on the lips. So I like this formula. It's very interesting. It's really kind of cool to put on too. So here we go. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? This eye look is insane. Sorry if the lips are a little bit messy, but I didn't want to lip line them so you guys can see the real colors, you know? But yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with this eye look. Let's get into final thoughts. All right, guys, so you guys saw it. I mean, I have to say, the formula of this thing is so good. I really, really love the formula. The color selection's really, really interesting. You can come up with different looks in this palette. I like that you can stay in a neutral direction with these pinks. These pinks are not like so shocking that they're gonna make you go like too out there. I feel like you can stay a little bit more subtle. I like that you could stay subtle with the greens as well without incorporating maybe some of these lighter tones. Then you also have the option of going in a bluer direction, which is a little bit brighter. You can mix the blues with the pinks to create a little bit more of like a fun festive look. Also, you can mix this nice peachy pink with the green to create another look. So I do feel like there is variety here. You could do a bunch of different looks, but I do think that staying within the sections in this palette is probably the way that most people would like it the most. The quality is really, really nice, and these metallics are just insanely beautiful. They're silky, they're powdery, they look amazing on the lid. Very, very, very nice, and yeah, I really like this palette. I also really like this magnetic thing. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. So that is a huge win. I also do like these liquid lips. They're interesting. It's an interesting formula, and I keep saying that because I don't feel like I have seen something so creamy that dries down so matte and like it doesn't come off. So and it doesn't like show every single line because it's a little bit more moussey, but it does give like a mattified effect to the lips. It's a very interesting formula. I would have to test it for a longer period of time to tell you guys like if it's an amazing formula, but like right now I'm just like very interested in it because I don't feel like it's something I have seen a lot of. The most similar would be the Rare Beauty formula, but even that one didn't feel as moussey when I would put it on. So it's a very cool formula, very different. I do think the darker colors can get a little bit patchy and you have to go over and kind of like build up the color a little bit more. But then once you do that, it kind of just like all looks really nice. You guys saw it with the brown one. So I don't know. Yeah, I think the collection was a win. I think it's very, very beautiful. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Did you guys pick up this palette? I know a lot of you guys were eyeing it, so I want to know who picked it up. And yeah, hit subscribe. Don't forget to enter in that giveaway. And yeah, I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.